Now I'm the very handsome guy by the name of On because one of the Mickey, you always see it as the youngest aspirant. Yes, sir. You can show me name, sir.
Mina Abdullah Kamara, aka Owan Kasu.
What do they call On Kasu?
Me na picking for everybody na the Bombali and Karina district. Yes.
All right, sir. In the first place, congratulations.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
With me, I congratulate you.
Yeah.
You are kind enough to get at the APC party.
Thank you.
For the mere fact that you don't go and say, hey, team up. And you see somebody way at least if you don't give power, you will be for people then. Because when you want something, say left. You agree for left. Honestly, not the right person. Okay. Now I know you don't do a lot for the people them. I will like clarify 2 things you don't do for people them.
Wow. A lot. Well, let's just come to the health center first. Each and every health center inside the constituency 33, they all don't benefit from me. I give them all bid them. Okay? Each and every health center now the constituency get me bid them. And we've been get 32 section chiefdom. Now the chiefdom them inside the constituency. Each and every single one of them section chiefdom they get me armchairs them when I for them chiefdom. 32 chairs them. Where you see them, where the chiefs sit down, they go no say yes. You don't get dignity. And the paramount chief them, and the 3 chiefdom them at the time, themselves get their own chairs them as well. Okay. So apart from that, the schools. We look about the schools. We don't do a lot for the schools them. We don't give scholarships. We don't give library books them, and we don't give cement for make sure say we make the classroom then conducive for the students then for Golan. A lot of that we don't do on my Teboy, we don't do on my Kaiba, we don't do on Rukulang. I don't supply a 1 old band set for Thanksgiving for all the students there in Rukulang and the environs. The other school the way they did. Then we go lend the band sets, if we don't get Thanksgiving, then we use them for match pass.
In the first place, I'm really surprised, right? For couch the band set now upline.
Yes.
Because me all the doctor know what's a band set and I know in what. Yes. And on cause what's make you go for the symbol?
I want to go for the symbol because my experience where I be in na constituency 33 I've been small na Sanda Tindarun. You know, during the 80s, 82, 86, a lot of things that happen when are bad things that would have been good for me. The team and the fuller, me not team ni fuller. My mommy side and my daddy side, they fight against each other. People they kill themselves. I get an experience where they don't know how to sleep on nets. People can attack us. Then break the doors, break all the windows them, go inside, take everything what we get, we're able to take for Kego, then carry and go. Then take me Gani, get a gun, do a lot of things that were bad things then. My sister they all been dead, my cousins they all been dead. You know, then thing they experience they be very bad. We don't see when they kill people them around we house. Dead body them be dead, then they burn where they do other atrocities that will not be really fine because of tribal business inside politics. So when me ready for left this country, we are ready for travel. I pray to God for let God give me the opportunity to say I go in a position where any decision I make, that I able for benefit people them around me, not only myself and my family, but the lots. So I decide for go develop myself as a politician. I study international politics, I get degree Panam. But not to that, not the thing. I come to this country also with loads of containers of goods them. Because I'm a charitable person, I come from a family when a charitable family, and I be work for a charitable organization. We be they send goods them around the world. So I take the director, bring and come to Sierra Leone.
Really?
Yes. Bring and come to Sierra Leone for the first time. The woman come to Africa.
Wow! Congratulations. That don't show me
containers. With container of goods them from academic stuff them to medical stuff them. I bring come bed them, I bring come crutches and wheelchairs them in this country also. I give to organization them. We're responsible for disability issues in this country.
Okay, because you know say APC let me say APC na edition whether election or selection.
Yes.
So in case na selection, okay, probably gonna put it back for be the winner. You will still support the how they win?
I like the APC policy. Election or selection. We say election not possible, then they do selection. Because APC get an ideology of inclusiveness. They want to make sure say everybody involved. When they don't give me the symbol, they include me. You understand? They don't kick me in the door like how other parties they do. But say, well, you lost, so you know where for be part of this thing anymore. No, then call me, then put me down, then talk to me, then say, Carlo, we go campaign. So they include me. I feel part of APC. I feel say are important for the party as well as for the people them. Because they see me relevance. So I feel say this time around APC don't see me relevance. They know for say me na possible na active player and they support the party when it comes to registration and they give them motor them for move around and they give money for them and give Okada them for go take people in a village to can register. I don't do all that stuff then. I work with the party. I work with the people then. So if APC not give me the symbol the last time and the MP where them give the symbol, they not get for Gian this time. I feel say they're not for left Owan Castle then jump go to anybody for go give anybody symbol. Now Owan Castle then go give the symbol.
Okay, Owan Castle, whose confidence will you get over yourself for give the symbol?
A lot of confidence because I cut across the entire region, not only my constituency. From Makeni, like I tell you, all the way, even at Freetown, you go to Freetown, you ask who done Owan Castle. I mean, the only Owan Castle inside APC. So I tell you, right across the region, where they talk about the northwest region and the north region and western area, Owan Castle is very popular and everybody know the good one Owan Castle don't do. So APC know me worth. And I feel say if they forgive symbol to anybody around this constituency 66, now Owan Castle will be the first choice because they know what I don't do. And the people them, the party don't decide for tell the people and say this trip, now una they choose who that una want to be the leader for the symbol. So I believe say it's so easy because if you notice when I enter inside this Sanda Magbolonton today, the kind where the meeting disrupts, everybody in attention go towards me, all the society them, the dance troops then they all go welcome me and dance with me come for inside Sanda Magbolonton. This is overwhelming, this is electrifying. I feel happy about it and I know say the people them now one Castle they want.
Okay, on goes what my last word for you. Okay, sorry. On goes your mama day.
My mama died last year, my papa died last year.
Oh,
now 1 month day between the all two.
My sympathy.
We buried the all two inside Sanda.
Okay. So on goes you.
Yeah.
Now I know say which now the river I use or come up side.
I left Makeni 6 o'clock this morning, say at the Kamlaya, so with the hope say I go reach here so early. Unfortunately, the road is so bad. And I'm so happy I tell His Excellency the President Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma plenty thank you for way under leadership now we get this new Karine district, and also under leadership now we get with flag bearer we na Dr. Samura Kamara we na inside Karine district in Self Comot. We know say development they car inside Karine district.
Okay. On goes you get confidence for say APC to win this election back?
APC they win this election hands down. We know, however, we know they underestimate any political party or any other individual waiting the political for do. We they make sure say we do we homework them properly. That the regional make APC they consult with the people them for whoever they get the symbol. The most popular candidate now in APC they give symbol. So as long as APC they give symbol to the most popular candidate, there won't be any problem in terms of voting. APC they win this election.
Okay, the word Tolongbo can you clarify for me?
Tolongbo now all the way, everybody they go, they follow all the way. Then na Tolongbo.
Alright, on goes so I can see una banner them, APC banner, pay attention.
Yes, it did for me one of me banner them as well. Pay attention today. If you look at the back of me banner, right there, pay attention with the finger point so if you say you're not APC person, you know they pay attention, you want to for candidacy of the party will go you and put you down and tell you so that you pay attention. Yes.
Okay, on goes the last word for people.
The last word is that the last time I've been contest the election under the APC under constituency 33 and I'm not being succeed for get the symbol. The one who then give the symbol, then I work with them. I work with the people them, I work with the party. Understand? And now I feel say now where I don't come back for can contest for the symbol, I feel say now a blessing forgets all this new area, then new other chief from there. So we have very, very challenging things than they did. And I think it's a blessing for the people them and for myself and for the party, for that we work and then come together and then we able to develop this place as well. So I expect the people them for let them continue for support me and make them talk to the executive and the district executive and the regional executive for tell them say the candidates now Owan Castle now wants.
Okay, Uncle, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
I talk to the youngest, one of the youngest aspirants by the name of Uncle, smiling face. Anyway, I wish you all the best.